Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. We're outside again today. We're looking up at the sun, beautiful trees in the background. And today we're going to connect with the fairies, the nature spirits, nature's angels. So please take this time, take a big deep breath. As you exhale, focus on letting go of any heaviness or any other energies you no longer need. And then bring your attention here in nature, to the sun, to the trees, and breathe that air. Take a nice big breath again. This time focus on breathing in positive, replenishing, energizing air, the breath of life. Being grateful for the breath of life. At this time, we're going to call upon the nature spirits to join us. Take your time now, imagining being out in nature. One of these beautiful fairies comes up to you. And this message is one reminding you of your strength, of your power that you carry, and the power of your words as well, and how important it is that you speak your truth with conviction, with confidence, with strength, knowing that what you have to say matters, that it is safe for you to express yourself and express your feelings without fear. You have nature with you, the power of nature with you. Accept the truth within yourself, letting go of any doubt, any fears. Know that all of Mother Nature is on your side to support you and help you to be all you came here to be, and to help you speak your truth. To be the truth seeker and the truth teller. To share the wisdom that you carry. Being grateful for that message, opening up to another one from the fairies. And this message is to look to the future with hope, with optimism, with faith, unwavering faith. Happy changes, happy times are on the way. Spring is here, the sun is here. So many more blessings are on the way for you. Now is the time to open up to all of them, to believe and to accept and to receive. To hope and to know with great faith that everything is and will always work out for your highest good, and the best is yet to come. Carry that energy of hope and optimism. It's all around you. Receive it. The fairies are here to share it with you. You are as limitless as the sky. Accepting that message in, being grateful for it. And the next message from the fairies today: have patience and not to worry. Take time to rest and plan your next steps. This is your time that you're growing your wings. This is the time that you take for yourself. Imagine how much better it's going to get. Literally ask yourself, how much better is it going to get? How much better will it get? How much better can it get? Knowing it will get better. Recognize that you have all the power within you And again, Mother Nature is right there with you, carrying you up, lifting you up, giving you everything you need, providing you with everything you need. See your beautiful wings, how powerful they are, how they can carry you. And know that, again, everything will work out for you in divine order. Feeling grateful for that beautiful message. And one more message today from the fairies. And it's a desire for a more meaningful life, to open up to that. It's time to move on. Time to make changes and to follow that path ahead. Open your heart, open your soul. Know what's good for you, what's the best for you, and follow that path. Follow your guidance. Letting go of the past, learning from it, but moving forward now. Focusing on what's in front of you and the path ahead. Using all your gifts, all your tools, all your lessons you've learned to create the best future for you. You do have a purpose, and Mother Nature thanks you for being here and helping her and helping us all to ascend and be all we came here to be. Being grateful for all these beautiful messages. Thank you, Mother, for the God and the angels and the fairies, the nature spirits for being here. All these beautiful messages and bringing all this positive energy, this light energy, back to our mental, emotional, finally our physical bodies, back to the present, back to here and now. Feeling excited about the future and all the blessings to come, knowing Mother Nature is right there with you today and every day.